Video looks the most interesting right now. Here we go. Ding, ding, ding.
All right, ding, 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 ding. Let's see where the volume is. Games, NVIDIA, 178.
LTR starting to move.
PLTR opened this strong. PLTR is going green.
Yeah,
Let's see what PLTR is doing. 157.
just long PLTR.
Yeah, PLTR is strong.
See if it's see what it does here.
Yeah, PLTR looks like it wants to pop up. I'm gonna get it long at 158.06 on PLTR. Oh, my access is PLTR.
Video is looking good.
I'm getting it long on PLTR for a 1 minute to be range breakout. NVIDIA opened up.
Video's gone green.
Yeah, NVIDIA has 150, 178. Big Atlas.
Just sold some Nvidia PDC.
Yeah, NVIDIA looks like it's strong. I'm gonna go long NVIDIA too for a break of 178. The Atlas is there. Let's see if rejecting it or not. I'm long PLTR and NVIDIA. See if what's happening here with NVIDIA. Yeah, it's not the what's the daily chart on NVIDIA look like? Not great. NVIDIA is popping up. I'm partialing on NVIDIA 178.12. I don't like it actually. I don't want to hold
Yeah,
it.
just partialed some at 178.
Yeah, I'm getting out of it completely. I just I don't think it's a great trade. 179 is an order, but I don't know. Yeah, I'm out of it completely. I don't like that. Let's see. I mean, it's good if you had a better entry, but I think 179 is probably a target. But let's see if you can get an entry. PLTR.
I'm selling some PLTR lead. Kind of looks toppy.
SPY. The SPY is rolling over.
SPY is dropping. Qs are dropping. I think I'm going to get out of the. I think I'm going to get out of the rest of Nvidia. Oh, let's see. Wait a sec. Let's see if it can push higher now.
It looks like it wants to push higher. What's Tesla doing? Tesla is also doing the same thing for a 5-year.
Yeah, Tesla's moving up.
Strong.
Okay, I'm out of PLTR. I don't like that. So some small position left in Nvidia.
I'm still staying in PLTR, just not doing great, but see what's gonna happen. PLTR on a daily chart, strong, but not great.
Okay. Well, let's see, my computer's frozen. That's not good.
Never good.
No.
Gonna add a little bit more on PLTR here at 157.14. I want to see if you can get a bounce here. All right, so it looks like it's not really doing
It's
anything.
just us.
Yeah, PLTR doesn't do good yet. Let's see what's gonna happen here. My average is 157.63. SPY is holding it, bouncing at the VWAP. What's Tesla doing? Tesla, big order at 391. All right, I'm getting a stop down on PLTR. XTI. I'm getting a stop down on PLTR. What did HIMS do? HIMS sold off. Tesla sold off really bad. Wow, Tesla is really selling off really bad. Tesla is doing a bearish engulfing. Yeah, the order at 391 is big. So daily chart on Tesla, 388, 385. Tesla turned out to be a really nice short actually. Now doing a bearish engulfing.
Wow, yeah, look at it drop. I missed that because I had to reboot. Shit.
Tesla
Glad I
quickly
got out of everything
at
before that happened.
387. Yeah, orders are
It's
really nice.
my DOS.
MSTR is popping up. Thank you. Oil is at $100. Yeah, Nvidia is also low of the day. It's doing a bearish engulfing.
I'm probably going to bounce here. CRCL really popped up at the open.
Nvidia is really rolling over. SPY is rolling over.
Yeah,
This whole
Tesla's got some big orders at 385,
PLTR is
380.
also 55 too. PLTR order is very clear to the downside now. Short. SPY is rolling over. Let PLTR, see what's happening in PLTR. PLTR is bouncing back to the VWAP. SPY is rolling over. IWM. Yeah, IWM is at support level 245. Wow, both Tesla and Nvidia are really rolling over.
Yeah, Like I said, Tesla has orders to the downside.
Blue energy is ripping.
But, but can you trust it?
That is the question. No trades for me yet, guys. I mean, Nvidia looks like a short. It's 175. It's gonna get over there, but see if we can get an entry.
Let's see here. Nvidia, Tesla bouncing a bit here.
Yeah, definitely range bound now. SPY obviously hitting lower.
Yeah, I'm short. I just shorted a little Tesla. Gonna cover some just because, but I think we're heading to 385.
Yeah, NVDA 175 is definitely big order. All right, no trades for me yet. I mean, I did, but not as of now. I think NVIDIA wants to go to 175.
SPX puts, nice 66.55s.
PLTR is trying to bounce back to VWAP. South Korea dropped. CRCL. It's up 10%. Ooh, CRCL is going up nicely.
Nice. Nice, Doug. SPX, Qs and SPY heading lower. NVIDIA taking another leg down here. Still short some Tesla.
Yeah, Tesla was a good
Although
short.
I don't like the way it's holding here.
I like NVIDIA, the way that it's setting off. It was really nice 5 minutes bearish engulfing. 175 is a really nice Atlas.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, coin and MSTR are bullish. The internet sector, the crypto sector seems bullish. Like MSTR is up 4%. MicroStrategy.
Come on, Tesla. I'm going to cover some more here. Trading the 387.50 puts. I want to see another flush. 385.
HIMs are coming back up. HIMs is interesting. Yeah, HIMs are range. I'm gonna get along on HIMs 2255. HIMs is
Are you
getting.
playing hymns?
Yeah, HIMs and hers. There's some orders on 23. Yeah, it looks like it's really bouncing back to the VWAP. Adding a little bit more on it and see if you can get to 23. Squeeze above the VWAP.
Okay.
Yeah, dog. It's a PLTR is. If it squeezes back up to the VWAP, maybe I'll play it. But
Here we going. Here we go on Tesla 385. Come on.
uh,
Teasing me. Teasing. What a tease. They're at $4 on these puts. I'm just gonna I'm gonna sell some more at $4. Here we go.
PLTR.
Yep. So close. I'm getting a bounce on the market. 387.50s. It's actually expiring today.
Oh, no. You don't drop.
And the video came bouncing back.
I'm getting out of him.
Buying cues, bouncing back a bit.
Although HIMS might be a good entry here, that pullback, but I got out of it.
You know what? I'm getting out of the Tesla. I'm not sure if it's gonna get. Yeah, maybe. Let's see.
No,
I only got a couple puts left. So okay, here we go. Here we go. Patience.
Oh,
Patience. Here we go. Come on.
I'm gonna get back long on HIMS actually. 22.30. That pullback is that pullback is actually a good place to enter. So I want to see if you can get to 23. The Atlas is bullish. Still, so 42%. Daily chart is on daily chart.
Such a big order there on Tesla. Can't see why it shouldn't go there. Maybe I'm scratching for nickels here. I don't know.
For shorting Tesla, what are you doing?
Shorting Tesla.
Yeah.
I'm looking for this break of 385 because there's a big order there.
Tesla, yeah, there's a big order. Tesla. Oh, still pretty bearish, depending on where the entry is.
I'm in at 320 on these puts, so they're trading at 380 right now.
I want to see if I can get HIMS to 23. All right, HIMS is popping up. Come on, HIMS 23.
I don't like that pop up. Qs and SPY Qs are back at the VWAP and the moving averages. SPY is testing the 9 EMA. And AMD is kind of one of the stronger semis. Okay, here we go. Come on, drop.
I want HIMS to go up.
There we go. There we go. There we go. That's what I was looking for.
On Tesla.
Took out that order.
Oh yeah, beautiful.
Wow. Now the selling more at $4.70.
Nice. 385.
Nice.
Very nice.
Nvidia's coming back up. Nice, eh? Yeah, it was a good trade on Tesla, thanks to Market Atlas. Let's see what we do here on this double bottom on the SPY and the Qs. See if this is a double bottom or if we're just going to head lower here now.
All right, him seems that he's having difficulty getting through the VWAP. I'm gonna get out of it. Yeah, I'm getting out of him. Seems that he's having difficulty to get out of get through the VWAP.
66.45.
SPY is heading lower.
Yeah, SPY looks like it wants to drop.
Nvidia is trying to bounce back. Tesla is still weak. Shoot, Tesla 385. The order is there 384 down there on Tesla. Already back in November, we had a couple of levels here, 384. Nvidia is bouncing back to VWAP.
Right. Tesla's still weak. Wow.
Him's rolling over, yeah. I got out of him since didn't have any momentum to go through the VWAP. I gotta stop that. Tesla is still setting off. 384 is a big order. It's gonna break the 384, I think, with Tesla. PLTR is trying to find the bottom. Tesla doesn't have any bottom.
It doesn't look like SPY's finding any enthusiastic buyers yet with the Qs.
Exactly. Tesla as well. Tesla's now orders are just keep
Yeah.
moving lower and lower.
Wow. I wish I. Oh well.
Are you still short or no? You got out of it completely?
No, I'm all out on that last draw through 385. I'm happy with that.
Oh,
Nvidia is moving up here.
oh, Nvidia popped up. Yeah, Nvidia is interesting. Should we get some Nvidia?
Yeah,
we get some
I'm
Nvidia.
long some Nvidia.
Yeah, Nvidia is popping up nicely. 178 is the previous day close. Yeah, we'll go long Nvidia. See if we can get some long in there.
Yeah, I'm just long Nvidia. What's it look like on? It's a big order, 178.
Yeah, the order is at 178, which is the previous day close.
Qs and SPY are coming back up again.
Q's, SPY. Buying some in TNA. What do you think, Brian? Do you think the IWM bounces?
Come on. Let's go, Nvidia. So let's get back up to PDC. That'd be nice.
Nvidia back to PDC would be really nice. Yeah, at 178. Doug, how did you trade, Doug? Did you trade nicely?
It's, see, we get a bounce off VWAP on that pullback.
Wow,
That
nice.
was a positive sign.
Nice. Handcuffs, Ross. Let's see if we get Nvidia, we get to the previous day close. That would be nice. The Atlas 178 is there.
The Qs are looking like they're going to break through the VWAP here. Come on, Nvidia. Giddy up. There we go.
Nice, Doug. Yeah, PLTR is tricky today, so.
Oh, it's really struggling at this 177.25 area.
I bought some TNA just for fun, holding it a little bit. IWM seems Oh, IWM has still a room to go down to 240 to 200 moving average. Just for fun, holding some TNA. I know, Ross, TNA double handcuff. Benzinga. Tesla is reversing. Tesla is holding this. It's still long on Nvidia, guys. So Tesla 380, 390 is the level. Yeah, Tesla seems that it's trying to find the bottom as well. So TER. Paris, what did you trade? MU, shorting MU right at that level. Nice. Oh, Brian, what do you think about NVIDIA? Do you think we're gonna get stopped out?
Still holding as long as it's above the VWAP, but I'm losing patience here. I think I'm going to get out of it.
Yeah, it looks like
It's
everything is.
really having trouble getting above this 177.20. Just keeps getting sold there.
Tesla.
I'm going to
Bottom.
let's see. I'm going to scale back my size. Oh, here we go. I got a nice pop on that. Here we go.
SPY is holding to.
I'm scaling back. I'm taking some profits here just because I just feel like maybe it's going to go. Oh, there we go. Nice. Finally, that seller
Yeah,
dropped.
nice.
Yeah, finally that seller dropped away. Could sell some more right at PDC.
Nice. I love these squeezes on that. It's like a penny a step. Squeezes like that look crazy. I love it. I want to put some order on
Yeah,
178, so let's see if 178 is getting in play.
there isn't much orders to the upside or downside.
Outside. Oh, we have 178, 179 orders are stacking up, so SPY is trying to go back to the VWAP.
I'll go this. Yeah, the Qs are trying to break through the VWAP again. Well, there go the Qs.
Oh, right. So my TNA is popping up too. SPY is popping. Tesla is popping. NVIDIA is gonna go 178. Oh, there you go. I got filled.
There you go. There we go. There we go. I'm long the Qs here. Just see if we can get up to this
Benzinga
S3
announced
level. Selling some.
Benzinga announced that the
war is over. Yeah. Yeah, you knew that you're going to get a pop at some point.
Benzinga said there are three new tankers crossed the Strait of Hormuz.
Oh,
They're celebrating over there. Hey, another one crossed.
Uy, nag-focus ah.
right.
Oh. Oh, something's dropping. What is happening? Is it a news?
So, what happened?
I don't know.
They sank one of the tankers going through.
Oh. Benzinga hasn't announced anything. I don't know. It's just a big drop right now. VIX is popping up. All right, I'm getting out of my Nvidia, guys. It's back to my break-even point, so I'm getting out of it. Oh, shit, Brian, what was that drop on SPY?
Yeah, I don't know. Someone just stepped in there. A big drop. Wow. Hmm.
PLTR is bouncing back.
Tesla went down and is bouncing off S6 now.
I want to go
PLTR is
back
coming
long
back
on
up.
PLTR. I want to go back long on PLTR.
Yeah.
PLTR looks like it's really. Oh, there you go. PLT is closing above the VWAP. I'm gonna add some here. See if I can get to 156. PLTR. Hmm.
380 now for Tesla, maybe.
Tesla's still going down really hard. Tesla,
Yeah.
the news, is there fundamental news on Tesla or?
No, I don't know.
All right, PLTR is also rolling over. Fuck it. Anyway, so guys, I had a really bad day today. Just keep getting stopped out on everything. Today is not a day you take long. I don't know. It seems that today is not a day to take long. Everything is
Oh,
short. Ah, fuck. What is this? Yeah, market is rolling over. There is slowly going up. Yeah, it's brutal everywhere, guys. I had a really big loss in
yeah. Let's
PLTR
see.
today.
Tesla's still looking like some orders there at 380.
Uh, market is Qs are reaching to 200 moving average on daily chart, which is 590.
Hmm. Let's see. We're at the low of day again on the SPY and the Qs. So see if we hold here.
Q, Q, Q.
Big spread at 66.20 on the SPX.
Microsoft is 404. Microsoft is 404.
bouncing back again. A very choppy day to a certain extent. I mean, Tesla gave a nice.
This again, yeah. I don't know, guys. I had a really bad day, so today.
Just really choppy unless you got into something that had a nice trend on it,
Yeah.
like Tesla.
Tesla is still going down, huh? Maybe a reversal on
It's sort
Tesla.
of it's trying to find a bottom here. I think, yeah, look at Nvidia's it is really
Oh.
trying to find support. Took a bit of a long on the on it just as it bounced off the 9 EMA. So here it goes. Now we've got that big order at 178.
There is some big reversal is happening right now in the market and SPY. Tesla is trying to bounce as well. Yeah, SPY is trying to push above the VWAP. IWM, TNA is popping up. I'm still long TNA. Right, so I don't know what to do in my life anymore, guys.
Nvidia is still going. Here we are. Still long. Another big order at 179. If we can get there. Qs are back near high of day. Same with this. Same with the SPY. Oh, it is looking good.
So today we're opening in a lower, wider range, and if we look to open where we are, we're going to be slightly above S4. If we open there, we're going to look to buy S4. Really, no major shorts in play today.
PLTR is trying to bounce back.
Over the this one, buy
Yeah, I'm tempted to go long PLTR again, but I don't know.
index that future we open
Seems that I'm trying to really.
You're chasing things. It's not. Yeah, it's not a market that works when chasing momentum.
Yeah.
buy S6 in our major index.
Like here, for example, SPY just keeps squeezing up and it drops, squeezing up, drops. So
Sort of narrower range, so maybe a little more downside potential.
Here we go.
But at this point, we've already maxed out
Yeah, NVIDIA gave a nice opportunity for entry on that pullback
Really no
after the rejection at PDC.
lower wide range. If we open lower than this, we're gonna look to buy S6 in our major indexes. Only index that goes against that trend a little bit is Dow.
Just went right back to the 9 EMA.
Euro range, so maybe a little bit of downside.
Yeah, see, exactly. You're
And at
right.
this point,
Yeah,
we've already been
it
down
dropped.
3 after hours. So I mean, we're looking for the range plays today. Indexes. Only index if we
Big order sitting at 179 still.
this was a narrower range, so maybe a little bit more downside potential. But at this point, we've already had
But again, you see how we came up to the sort of high of day and then immediately rejected there.
Yeah,
So again, you can't chase this market. You've got to,
yeah, it's definitely horrible.
yeah,
Tesla was a great short that you got. Tesla was the best.
yeah. That was a good short. $380. Yeah, there's still a big order there. $380.
Sorry?
On Tesla, a big order at 380 still. Bloom Energy. Is that? I know that was down on the day. To start.
Spy.
Wow, look at that. It really came up today. That was nice. Nice move. What are you doing? Yeah, we had these days last week where the market just chopped in a range. It's a kind of market that, if you chase things, you're just going to lose money. Nvidia is still looking fairly like it still could go up more. Still got some big orders to the upside. Had held PDC. Could have actually added there.
Tesla.
HIMS is back testing low of day again.
Market definitely doesn't have any reason to repair. NVDA went green. So Navid, you downloaded something that you downloaded the wrong branch. So depending on what broker you're using or what platform, so that error is when you actually download a different version of DAS. Maybe you're using the older version for a different program, but each system is different for that. All right, so 4360. I don't know. DDA is going up. LTR definitely no.
Here we go. It's one, lots of orders around 1C and at 78.50.
LTR is really holding up. NVDA.
Odio esta película. Es malísima.
What was that?
My
Spanish.
Spanish lesson.
Spanish.
Yeah, my Spanish lesson for the day. Yeah. Yeah, Duolingo, yeah. MSTR. What's Bitcoin doing today? It was 168 and change, I think, this morning. $169.
Hymns. Oh, Hymns is rolling over.
Yeah, HIMS is low, really right at low of day now.
All right, so the market is trying to pop
Still
up.
long some Nvidia.
You're long Nvidia, huh?
Yep. Yeah. After on that pullback, after it challenged the PDC right around 1020. Love to see it squeeze here.
PLTR is holding the bottom. Something is happening in the market. It's like a peanut, really squeezing. Something is gonna happen in the markets soon. It's gonna either blow up or down. It's really trading in a very short range. Mission accomplished.
we go. NVIDIA's moving up. It's going to squeeze. Here we go.
There you go. Yes. I told you. I'm going to get long PLTR. I told you it was really squeezing really, really bad. So I think
Excellent.
NVIDIA is ripping.
Excellent. Just going to sell some.
Qs are trying to recover. IWM, VIX is at 30.
Yeah, exactly.
Oil is at $100.
Release the loans. Qs are at high of day, right at S3. SPY is moving up too.
Let's see if PLTR also squeezes. SPY looks like it's going higher. Wow, SPY is really ratting right now.
Are you along with me?
I'm long PLTR.
Okay. Seems to be having trouble getting through this area right here. 158.50. 155.50, sorry. Oh, look at Tesla's breaking out to the upside.
Yeah, looks like things are bouncing back.
I'll be back in a sec.
No, Brian, don't go. Microsoft is bouncing back. All right, let's see if PLTR can go to 156. So order at 156. Attrition report. Come on, PLTR. Tesla is bouncing back as well. Hims and hers.
Right, how are we doing? PLTR is looking like a might want to push higher here.
I'm long PLTR, yes, at 155.20. SPY is slowly grinding up, so
Yep.
NVIDIA just keeps going higher.
Yeah, there's a big order of 179. Just about got there. Here we go.
Come on, PLTRs popping up. 156.
Let's try to break through the view app here. What's it look like on level 2? On Atlas?
Do you want to go Tesla?
Yeah. It's a big order at 380 still. Qs are at high of day now, right at with the pre-market open where we popped up.
Come on, PLTR. TNA is running over. I got out of TNA. NVIDIA is going higher.
Yep.
PLTR 156. It would be nice to get there. Tesla 380.
Tesla looks good.
Buy order. When the orders are below the current price, they're obviously buy orders. The price above are sell orders.
AMD is really breaking out here. Spying. Wow, the Qs are popping. There goes NVIDIA. New high.
Yeah, SPY is making new high.
Qs high of day now.
Oh, things are pretty good for going up, huh?
Yeah, I knew this was we were gonna rally eventually. Yeah, PLTR is really dragging its butt here.
Wow, SPY is back at the high of the day. I knew it. Microsoft puts. My puts are safe, Brian, huh? What do you think?
Are you thinking of Microsoft selling Microsoft puts again?
No, I'm already there, so 395.
One.
I think it's the end of this week, I think, huh? March 13. Yeah, the end of this week. 395. I think so. No, not 13, 16. March 20th, I think.
Right. Nvidia is still looking good.
Yeah.
179.66 is S3, or R3, I should say. Qs are still going. SPY is at high of the high day now.
Yeah, market is really
Market's rallying back.
Qs might go green actually for the day. It's interesting.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, if you look at the futures on oil prices, they're I think if you go out to December, if you go out to December, the futures have a price of about $80 or something. So it just tells you the people that are in the futures markets for oil are just are expecting this thing to end at some point when uh, when the future prices are lower than the current ones, because it should be the other way around. Because the further out you go, you've got to factor in storage,
Exactly.
like how
Yeah.
much it costs to store the oil till you take delivery of it in 6 months or whatever.
Well, there's no really shortage of oil right now either, so it's just a lot of
No,
speculation in short term.
yeah, there is. You're right. There's no shortage of oil. It's more. It's the supply chain. It's getting the oil to where people want to consume it. Okay, well, finally we're getting a bit of a. That was a nice little rally on the SPY and the Qs.
Yeah.
Maybe we're not done yet.
No, Harvey, I'm red, unfortunately. I am red, and I don't know, I don't feel good. I have a pain in my tooth. I think that's why I have a chronic pain. I don't feel really good at all. I don't want to really.
So they didn't name you the supreme leader. I kind of thought you'd be in the running.
I don't want to die. I don't want to die. It's kind of weird though. Like they're in power. They have a lot of money, but they have to live in a bunker that nobody knows where they are. They can't use any
Yeah,
communication. Like, this is stupid.
you can you can you can come out of your bunker and sign a missile, and then go back in again.
It's just stupid. Like this power, man. People are gonna grab to power at any cost. Like it's always have to sleep like in the bunker. You don't get fresh air. Like constant chronic fear of death. Like what is it, man? Like it's just. Exactly. You guys are all would be legitimate targets if I'm the superhero.
Yeah, I just don't get how these people can be so cruel. Just doesn't don't get it.
Ideology, I think. I think they are run based on
Yeah, I
ideology.
guess I must be.
Like it's crazy. Like you have the power, man. Like just stop doing this messing around like with the power. Like dictatorship is there's so many kingdoms in the Middle East that they're dictator, but they're building the country and then they are
Yeah,
okay with the rest
well,
of the world.
yeah, yeah. The UAE is a bit of an example of that. They're all run by kings based on lineage, families.
All right, so PLTR is going down. I'm gonna get a stop down on it. I had a really big loss today. I'm getting out of PLTR. Oh,
Okay, I've got a little bit of Nvidia left, but I'm trading options on it, and I'm using the options that expire on Friday, so I didn't get the same amount of juice, but I might hold on to those. See what the daily chart looks like. You could sell them. I was looking at this on the weekend, selling the 175 Nvidia puts as well.
right.
So you've got Oracle reporting. Oracle is reporting on Tuesday after the close. It's really gotten beaten up. What do you think? Are you with me on this one? $175 puts on Nvidia. We sell them for the end of the week.
Sorry, what? For what?
175 Nvidia puts.
175
And
NVDA puts. Yeah, let's do it, man. For end of the week. How
so,
much are we getting?
to about 240, 245. If this pulls back more, we might get a little more.
End of of the week would be March, Friday 13, huh?
13th, yeah. Not a
Yeah,
good day, but
let's do it. NVIDIA puts 175, you said, yeah, 248. Yeah, it's gonna be amazing.
watch.
Sell
What would it cost to do a spread on that?
sold.
175s.
Sold, Brian. I sold already.
Okay,
40.
all right.
On me.
Well, we could buy the. I'm just wondering about downside covering 170s. Pay $1.30. So a trade would cost you a buck for $5. It's not bad. Yeah, it would have been a better trade this morning, but you didn't see that big rally coming either. So
Oh, yeah.
great. Well, I'm going to call it a morning. That was not bad. Tesla really was the best trade for me, although this NVIDIA trade worked out real well too.
Nice. Awesome, guys. Thank you so much. Yeah,
Yeah.
I know Paris is coming, and
All right.
all the best, guys.